Hello traders, welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to be discussing with you a very profitable strategy and indicator. This strategy works in all financial market like Forex, crypto, and commodities, and also work in all time frame. All you need to do is try and stay to the very end of this video because I'm going to share in details everything you need to know about this indicator. But before we go into the video, please use 2 seconds of your time to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get notified when we upload a new video. So without any further delays, let's go right into the video. The strategy that we will be discussing is based on an indicator called Golden Zone. Before we discuss how this indicator works, let's first add it to the chart. And to do that, we navigate to the indicator search bar. There we are going to search for Golden Zone. Select the one made by Bump Stocks. The Golden Zone indicator is a tool that simplifies the Fibonacci indicator by creating a clear golden zone to identify potential future price movements. The Golden Zone is a supply or demand zone that corresponds to the 61.8% and 50% Fibonacci retracement levels. The script plots the Fibonacci levels in the background, enabling traders to identify potential support and resistance levels quickly. The Golden Zone is highlighted with a yellow filled area, making it easy to spot on the chart. Traders use this zone to identify areas where the stock price may react, either bouncing off the support level or encountering resistance at the resistance level. For example, if a stock price is moving up and reaches the Golden Zone, a trader may look for signs of resistance and consider selling the stock if the price begins to move back down. Conversely, if a stock price is moving down and reaches the Golden Zone, a trader may look for signs of support and consider buying the stock if the price begins to move back up. The Golden Zone indicator is highly versatile and can be used in all markets, whether you are a swing trader or a day trader. Golden Zone indicator is a must-have tool for traders looking to identify potential price movements and locate key support and resistance levels. Its user-friendly inputs and clear display make it a valuable addition to any trading arsenal. But before we discuss on how we are going to use this indicator, let's set it on the input setting. Set the length to 100 and press OK. So how we are going to use this indicator is that if you see that price has crossed below or above the Golden Zone, you are going to wait to see price coming back to retest the Golden Zone before you can take a trade. Understanding everything about this indicator, let's see example how we can enter a trade using this indicator. Here we see that price has crossed above the Golden Zone indicator, making it support. Then we wait to see it bouncing on the support level before we can take a trade. And on seeing that price has bounced on the support, then we can enter a trade setting our stop loss below the Golden Zone and targeting 2 risk-reward ratio. Here, look at this trade. Is it right time to enter a trade? If you said yes, you are right. Looking here, you will see that price crossed below the Golden Zone. And also you can see that price has come back to retest the zone again. And if you use your Fibonacci tool, you will see that the zone is corresponding to 50% level, giving us more confirmation to take a trade. Then we can take a trade setting our stop loss above the zone and targeting 2 risk-reward ratio. And as you can see, the trade played out nicely. Understanding how this indicator works, let's add another indicator that will help us identify trend. Then we navigate to the indicator setting, that we search for EMA, select exponential moving average. Before we use the indicator, let's set it. Then we go over to the indicator setting. On the input setting, set the length to 100 and change the method to EMA. Then go over to the style setting, increase the size of the EMA. How we are going to use this indicator, is that when price is above it, this indicate uptrend, and when price is below it, this indicate downtrend. Understanding how this indicator work and how we are going to use it, let's see example on how we can combine this two indicator to enter a trade. Here we are open on price of BTC USD on 15 minutes time frame. We see that the EMA is below the price indicating uptrend. Then we check the price to know what it is really doing. There we see that price has retraced the golden zone. Then we pop our Fibonacci tool and draw it from the lower low to the high, and as you can see, the golden zone corresponded with the 61.8% in the same place as where price is bouncing off from. Then we can take a trade setting our stop loss below the zone and targeting 2 risk-reward ratio. As you can see, the trade played out nicely. Let's see how to enter a sell trade. Here we are on chart of the same BTC USD on 15 minutes time frame. As can see, the EMA is above the price indicating downtrend. Then we check the price to see what it is really doing. And on checking it, we see that price is retesting the golden zone. Then to confirm if this is a very good place to enter a trade, we pop out our Fibonacci tool and draw it from the high to the low. And as you can see, the retracement is corresponding to 61.8%. And price has given us a very good reversal pattern, which help us confirm that price is ready to go down. Then we can enter a trade, setting our stop loss above the golden zone and targeting 2 risk-reward ratio. As you can see, the trade played out neatly. As we have come to the very end of this video, I would like to tell you that before you apply this strategy to your trading style, try to back test it over and over again to master it. And you should also bear in mind that no indicator is a holy grail. You need to practice before you master any strategy. And if you have any question, leave it on the comment section. We will be glad to answer them. Also remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video.